Welcome to a Sloka a Day. The present initiative of a Sloka a Day is inspired by the assurance of the Lord. Sri Bhagavan Uvacha Yomam Namasahasrena Stotumicchati Pandava Sohamekena Slokena Stutayeva na samshaya. Stutayeva na samshaya Om Nama iti. He who wishes to praise me using my names thousandfold may do so as well by reciting a single sloka, no doubt about it. Listen to the names in each sloka and repeat each name clearly as you hear it. As I repeat each name, try to catch and feel and experience the vibrations of sound. Each name can also be converted into a powerful mantra by making a few changes. Repeat each name as a mantra and again feel the vibrations of sound. The mantric power further augments the spiritual uplift and renders liberation or self-realization more easily accessible. Please note that it is very important to ensure Vakshuddhi by properly pronouncing and reverberating the sacred sounds of Sanskrit. Thank you. Day 30. Ojastejodhyutidharaha.
Ojastejodhyutidharaha.
Prakashatma pratapanaha.
Prakashatma pratapanaha.
Ruddha spashtaksharo mantraha.
Ruddha spashtaksharo mantraha.
Chandramshurbhaskaradyutihi.
Chandramshurbhaskaradyutihi.
Ojastejodhyutidharaha.
Ojastejodhyutidharaha.
Prakashatma.
Prakashatma.
Pratapanaha.
Pratapanaha.
Ruddha.
Ruddha.
Spashtaksharaha.
Spashtaksharaha.
Mantraha.
Mantraha.
Chandramshuh.
Chandramshuh.
Bhaskaradyutihi.
Bhaskaradyutihi.
Om Ojastejodhyutidharaya namaha.
Om Ojastejodhyutidharaya namaha.
Om Prakashatmane namaha.
Om Prakashatmane namaha.
Om Pratapanaya namaha.
Om Pratapanaya namaha.
Om Ruddhaya namaha.
Om Ruddhaya namaha.
Om Spashtaksharaaya namaha.
Om Spashtaksharaaya namaha.
Om Mantraya namaha.
Om Mantraya namaha.
Om Chandramshave namaha.
Om Chandramshave namaha.
Om Bhaskaradhyutaye Namaha.
Om Bhaskaradhyutaye Namaha.
Day 30. He stands resplendent with vitality and luster. His radiance is piercing and overwhelming. His opulence is exuberant, like the ocean on a full moon night. His forms, state, and actions give best interpretation to the Vedic utterances. Those who know this and have faith in him get all the protection. His radiance provides delight and comfort like the full moon. His dazzling splendor, like the sun, puts all opposition to shame.